Hello, here's a quick video on how to create different segments to segment your purchases. So if you want to look at purchases that are above or below a certain value and see how many purchases you get there. So you can see, here's the results of this. If I wanted to look at all purchases that were below a $98 value, for instance, what I would do is come in, create an exploration like this where I've got a dimension for date here, but you can use whatever you want. The metric you want is going to be purchases down here on values. And then the trick is to go and make this segment. So I'll show you how I did that. So here's one for below 98. Let's say we wanted another one for above 98. Right? So if I did that, I would come in here and I would click plus to build a segment. I'm going to select an event segment, right? And I'm going to include events when, and this is where it gets like a little bit tricky, but you have to select the event, search for page purchases like this. So you've got purchase, that's the event. And then the parameter that you want is down here. It's not going to be under custom. It's going to be down here. It's going to be value. And then you select condition. In this case, I want to do greater than 98. So I would create this like that. I'm going to name the segment something useful, like greater than 98. Hit save and apply in the upper right and click there. Cool. And now you can see I've got a chart that shows one below 98 and above 98. Looks like I made a little mistake here. Probably put the direction wrong here. So let me edit that segment. Yeah, cool. This is value. This should be value less than 98. So I want to say, hey, the value is less than 98. There we go. Cool. All right. And now we can see that that works, right? Give it a second to load. There we go. And now I've got my values for segments, purchases that were above 98, whatever your currency is. So above 98 or below 98. And then I got my total off to the right. So that's the total. I could add whatever segments I wanted here. I could add one for, between certain values, things like that. This is how I would do this, is using segments like this. Thanks. Hope you find this useful. And subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video, and check out more content from us at slideruleanalytics.com. Thanks.